Today I am reviewing Kol Air 9000 BTU Mini Split AC and Heat Pump. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, we're taking a close look at the Kol Air 9000 BTU Mini Split Air Conditioner and Heat Pump, a high-performance wall-mounted ductless AC system designed to keep your indoor spaces comfortable all year round. If you've been searching for a reliable, energy-efficient solution for your home or office, this mini split could be exactly what you need. Starting with cooling performance, this unit delivers 9,000 BTU of power, which is more than enough to efficiently cool rooms up to 500 square feet. That makes it ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, home offices, or even small apartments. Unlike traditional window units, the Kol Air Mini Split uses a ductless design, which means no bulky window installation and no compromising your room's aesthetics. Its inverter compressor technology allows it to maintain a steady, comfortable temperature while consuming less energy, providing a cooling experience that is smooth, consistent, and precise. But this system isn't just for cooling. With its built-in heat pump, it also provides reliable heating during the colder months. Even when outdoor temperatures drop as low as -4 degrees F, this system keeps your room cozy without the need for additional heaters. The auto-defrost function ensures that the unit continues operating efficiently in freezing conditions, so you won't have to worry about winter breakdowns. Another standout feature is its energy efficiency. Operating on standard 115V outlets, it meets Energy Star standards, which means it can reduce your energy bills by up to 30% compared to traditional window air conditioners. The R32 eco-friendly refrigerant is not only better for the environment, but also provides superior cooling and heating performance. For those who value quiet operation, this mini split excels as well. The indoor unit operates at an ultra-quiet level of 25 to 35 decibels, which is quieter than a library. This makes it perfect for sleeping, working, or relaxing without any distracting noise. The included remote control allows you to adjust temperature, change fan speeds, and switch between cooling, heating, fan, and dry modes from across the room. Additionally, a 24-hour timer enables customized scheduling, so your room can be at the perfect temperature whenever you need it. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the self-cleaning function and washable filters, which help prevent odors and maintain air quality. You don't have to worry about complicated upkeep or frequent servicing, making this a low-maintenance yet highly effective solution for your home. Installation is simplified by the included 16-foot installation kit, which provides all the necessary components to get your mini split up and running. While professional installation is recommended to ensure peak performance, the kit makes the process much easier compared to older or more complex systems. In summary, the Kol Air 9000 BTU Mini Split Air Conditioner and Heat Pump is an impressive all-in-one solution. It combines powerful cooling, efficient heating, quiet operation, energy savings, and eco-friendly technology in a sleek wall-mounted design. Whether you're trying to beat the summer heat, stay warm in the winter, or just maintain a comfortable indoor environment year-round, this mini split provides a reliable and convenient solution. If you're looking for a compact, durable, and versatile AC unit that delivers exceptional performance while being energy efficient and environmentally friendly, the Kol Air 9000 BTU Mini Split is definitely worth considering. With its combination of advanced inverter technology, quiet operation, and all-season functionality, it's a great investment for anyone seeking comfort, convenience, and efficiency in their living or working space.